In order to create a custom account for Near in cySync app, you need to have at least zero point 0.1 Near in your wallet account. Go to Wallets, Add Account, and input your desired custom account. Click Add Custom Account. Verify details on your X1 wallet. Tap your X1 card onto your X1 wallet to sign the custom account generation transaction. Custom account is created. Saving the custom account on X1. This is a one-time process. You can store up to 4 custom accounts in your X1 wallet. Go to Near Explorer and verify your new account ID and new public key with your X1 wallet. Custom account is stored on your X1 wallet.